Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi there, I am Prakriti. Now today's video is going to be all about liquid eyeliner, and also today I have created 5 eyeliner looks. Like, they are very basic, they can be worn every day and they can also be worn for parties. You just have to exaggerate the look a little bit and then it can be worn to parties too. But I am going to show you how to do the basic liner so that you can get the basics, and then if you want you can just add a little touch of yours and just make it pop up. Now I actually did voiceover for all the 5 styles so that you can get the basics really correctly, and then you can just nail the eyeliner look. Now all the tricks and tips will be in the voiceover part of the video, so without further chatting, let's head over to the 5 basic styles of liquid liner. Alright, so the most basic form of liner is the barely there liner. That is, you just have to define your eyes. Now this is the fundamental from where you begin. You just have to define your eyes, and especially if you have hooded eyes, try and stay away from creating a thick line. Try to be as close as possible to your upper lash line and make sure to seal the end, like right over there. Yes, just to complete your look you just have to seal the end, and there you go with the look. It's very simple and very easy to achieve. Second look is going to be the wing liner look. Now I am going to make a small wing, but you can extend it if you want to. The process of extension will be same as the one I am going to explain. So first of all, I apply the liner on the center like you can see, and then I proceed towards the inner corner just like that, and then to the wing. Now most important tip is to rest your hand somewhere to stabilize it just like that. Now extend the wing as if you are extending your lower lash line, just in that direction to give your eyes a little bit of that lift. Now when you're going for the wing, just remember to go with minimum product on the applicator. This will help you in controlling the product and avoiding a mess. Now for the third look, we need some help from kohl because we want that dark intensified look, and this one goes to everyone who loves black intensified eye look. So first you have to line your lower lash line and waterline with dark and intense kohl. These two words are really important for this look, guys. Now I don't know why my kohl was not working at this point, but you should make sure that you take a kohl that's really very dark and really very intense. Now this look is all about the beauty of black, so you have to make sure that you use the black color correctly. Now next, taking the eyeliner and just creating a small wing plus defining my eyes. Now while creating a wing, just make sure that it looks continuous with your kohl that you applied on lower lash line and waterline. To make your wing look continuous, just take the lower part of the wing a little more downwards, and that's it, just like that. Now if the skin on your eyes is not tight, it can lead to a disaster. I have had that many times, and to avoid that you just have to take your time in applying the eyeliner. You also need to give some time to your wing just to make it a little bit more precise, because you know precise wings look really very flattering. And then you have to do the inner corner, obviously. You see how bold and black that is? That's how it has to be. For the fourth look, I am adding some color to the lower lash line. You can add any color that you find perfect according to the kind of look you have created. I am adding this color because it went well with the lipstick. Then again, I will be doing the eyeliner, but this time the extended area of the lower lash line on the outer corner of eye has to be empty. I know that's a huge sentence, but once you understand, you know what I'm trying to say. The eyeliner need not be very dramatic because the drama is added by the color on your lower lash line. and the wing has to be right over there. You saw how I left the region below the wing? That's the region that you have to leave. And now towards the inner corner, obviously, to complete the look. Next, we will be filling that area we left empty with the same color. This look gives more room to your creativity and it's super easy to achieve. Moving on to the fifth and last look, it's a double winged look. This can be a great option to add a little drama to your casual look. So first, just doing the same steps, defining the eyeliner towards the inner corner. The main focus is going to be the wing. You just have to figure out where to place both the wings. For me, I lift the first one a little more than the normal just to accommodate the second wing. In this way, it will not look weird and you will get that perfect drama for your eyes. If you do not lift the first wing, then you won't get place for a second wing and your eyes will look droopy, and you don't want that. The second wing originates from the outer corner of the eyes where the lower lash line and upper lash line meet. I know that's again hard to understand, but once you understand the sentence, you know what the meaning is. So basically you can see from where the second wing originates. And now to add a little more drama, just intensifying the lower lash line with the same kohl. Now I don't know why guys, I am in love, like I am obsessed with matte eyeliners right now. So for this video I used matte eyeliner completely and this is the completed look. So that's it for the video guys. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this